Yesterday was quite the same as we're seeing right now, 53 degrees, 42 for the low. So right on the money when it comes to the low temperatures, and that's because of all the cloudiness we've been seeing, pretty much protecting us like a blanket when it comes to the heat from escaping. But because of those same clouds, our temperatures have been about a good 10 degrees below normal. We're supposed to be in those mid 60s and only in the 50s, nowhere near the record of 90 degrees back in 1994, 25 back in 2002, and we're getting very close to the 9:30 hour for sunset. But today, like I previously mentioned just a moment ago, temperatures very similar to what we saw on Sunday because of the fact of the good amount of cloudiness. 54 in Marquette, 55 in Munising and Manistee, a little bit warmer towards the southwest at 61 in Iron Mountain, 59 in Escanaba, 56 in Ontonagon. Winds coming out of the southwest or out of the west, generally between 10 to 15 miles per hour. That southwesterly flow has also helped the humidity be on the high side. So there's been a little bit of that muggy feel in the air, despite the fact that it's been a little bit cooler than normal. But also these winds have kept the temperatures down and making it feel more like in the 40s, especially along the Lake Superior shoreline. Now, the clouds aren't going to stick around at least for another 48 hours. It really won't be until sometime on Wednesday we'll begin to see those clouds breaking apart. Thursday into Friday, we'll have more sunshine coming in, but by the time we progress into your Memorial Day weekend, clouds begin to re-enter and shower chances begin to increase, especially more so on Sunday and Monday. Now, the reason we've been seeing a good amount of clouds the last couple of days, and at least through a good portion of this upcoming work week, is just because we're kind of stuck in between a couple of disturbances that are pushing through the area, and that's pretty much just the real reason why we're just going to be under this gloomy, cloudy feel, despite the fact that we're not really seeing a lot of rain producing from these storms. Relatively weak, just a couple of light showers, even some sprinkles, but very, very light in general when it comes to precipitation, which is great news because of the fact that we did see about a good 3 inches of rain in some areas just last week. And even on the satellite radar, you can see how impressive some of these rain bands are that are just falling apart because of just the lack of moisture there is in the middle and upper levels of the atmosphere. You can see how this little batch of rain in parts of Iowa and Wisconsin just fizzles the further east it goes. And that's pretty much has been a good portion of the pattern in parts of lower Michigan for this entire month. But this cool pocket of air has really been make its way down towards the south, impacting us for a good portion of the month of May. And that's pretty much why our temperatures have also been below normal as well. And we're going to hopefully waiting to see when this jet will begin to push more towards the north. And that's going to allow us for a better chance to finally experience a taste of summer that will actually last longer. But for tomorrow, showers are going to continue through a good portion of Wisconsin and Minnesota and Iowa. More of the thunderstorms a little bit further towards the south into parts of Missouri and Illinois. So, but like I previously mentioned, the showers more in that isolated to scattered variety. When it comes to the clouds departing sometime on Wednesday, that's really when the sunshine will begin to increase. Thursday is looking to be the best day of the entire week. We'll have the most sunshine throughout the entire UP, and temperatures will also begin to warm up as well, closer to 60 degrees, eventually getting into those 60s for the first half of Memorial Day weekend. But here on Thursday, good amount of sunshine, a little bit of clouds, but the clouds will begin to roll in once again for the second half of the weekend. For 39 degrees for tonight, just a stray shower is possible. Winds out of the southwest at 5 miles per hour. So a little bit more of that icky feel. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies. So pretty much a carbon copy of both Sunday and Monday continues into Tuesday with temperatures in those 50s. Some areas trying to make their way into the 60s. And that's all going to depend on the clouds and just the sunshine as well. 54 degrees in Houghton, 55 in Ontonagon, 62 in Iron Mountain. Tomorrow, for your day planner, sunrise occurring at 6:08 a.m. Temperatures only rising into those mid-50s. Only a 20% chance of rain, so can't rule it out completely, just with the fact that we're dealing with a couple of these quick-moving disturbances pushing through. And then Wednesday gets a little bit better. Thursday is looking to be the best day the entire week, warming up by the time we progress into Friday, but clouds gradually begin to invade with a better shot of rain on Monday.